Hi, Bill here. As you can see, I am sitting outside. It is, uh, what is today? February 20th or 21st? I can't remember. Um, and it is 75 degrees outside here in Pennsylvania today. Um, a freak heat wave. I mean, we had snow on the ground still yesterday, and, we've got a nice warm breeze going out here today. This is the first time I think I've sat out here on the deck in quite a while. I know we had a cold November and December. I don't think I've really sat out here since before that, and we've had a few warm spells here and there, but usually it's been rain. This is the first warm sunny day that we've had, and as you can see, I got my glasses to change. Even sitting here with a little bit of sun peeking in under the roof. These glasses changed for me. My photo sensitivity isn't as bad as it was last year, but still a little bit there. So yeah, I just thought I would sit out here and give you all a quick update today. Pretty sure I explained in one of my last videos that I had gone to my Lyme doctor, and the plan was that I was going to take a week or so off of all my antibiotics and see how I felt. And you'll probably hear a lot of stuff going on in the background here because it's nice out, so it sounds like everybody's out doing stuff. And you'll hear gunshots going off down the hill at the Sportsman's Club. And I even just heard a Harley go by. That's pushing it a little bit. There's still a lot of salt and gravel and stuff on the roads, and our driveway still has some ice on it. But so my bike's not getting out of here anytime soon with this muddy, icy driveway. And so anyhow, got a little bit sidetracked there. So yeah, I just went back on antibiotics today. So let's see, that was 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 days off of antibiotics. And I still kept doing my herbal protocol during that time. Still doing it where I, pulse it and have a couple days off here and there. But I don't know, I guess I don't know what I can report as far as how I felt being off the antibiotics. I really didn't notice much difference at all. I still have my normal crappy Lyme mornings. If anything, they were worse. I think I just had I think I just had 4 mornings in a row again that I just couldn't move till 11 o'clock or so in the morning. And and gradually as the day goes on, I hurt less, and I get rid of most of the brain fog, not all of it, as you can tell, but also, get rid of that morning fatigue, feeling like I got run over by a truck. And so yeah, as far as that goes, I can't really say one way or another. Didn't really feel better, but didn't really feel much worse. And like I said, I just went back on this morning, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if this will bring on a herx after being off that long. But I was still treating with my herbs, as I said, and one of those is andrographis, which is a anti-spirochete herb. So I wasn't completely off treatment because I don't want to do that. I don't want to relapse, or slide backwards. I'm afraid to, at this point, too soon to completely go off treatment. So I know some people that have treated Lyme with herbs that still continue to take them for years, or at least take a maintenance dose for a long time. And I don't have a problem with that. If I get to the point where I'm feeling good. I don't care if I have to take herbs every day for the rest of my life, as long as I can get to where I can do the things that I want to do and feel good and all that. And I've definitely made a lot of improvement in the last year and a half of treating. I treated a little bit before that, but that was just doxy, for the regular CDC things. But once I went on a Lyme doctor's protocol of combination antibiotics and then introduced the herbs, I've been pretty much treating since, let's see, September of 16. So yeah, we're coming up on a year and a half, right? And definitely made a lot of progress in that time. I can definitely say that I pretty much eliminated babesia, and that has not reared its ugly head again. And I still occasionally think I have some Bartonella symptoms going on. So that one seems like it's a tougher one to get rid of. And so you'll probably hear a lot of noise going on here. Like I said, gunshots, all around. Everybody's out today doing stuff. One of my neighbors sounded like he had an automatic weapon this morning. Luckily, it was after I was already pretty much awake. And, I've been hearing trucks and chainsaws that are logging out the property right along the driveway here and down into the creek bottom there. So you might hear some of that noise going on in the background here. I'm kind of in and out of the wind, on this porch here. So hopefully that's not hitting the phone here, because these microphones aren't not windproof. At least mine's not. So yeah, I'm just enjoying sitting out here today, doing some of my reading for my schoolwork, and taking a little break from that to just kind of sit here and watch the birds and listen to the birds chirp and enjoy being out like this. This might be it. This might be the only day like this, because tomorrow's supposed to be warm like this again, but it's supposed to rain. Usually that's what it means when it gets this warm out this time of year in Pennsylvania. It means rain or snow, because we just had a little snowstorm over the weekend. We just got that melted off. It seems like we've been back and forth between warm, not as warm as today, but we've been back and forth for the last, I don't know, month or more, on days, that are semi-warm and enough to melt the snow, and then back to cold and snow again. And hopefully before too long here we'll be out of this. I don't think we're going to have any more completely brutally cold weather, getting to that point in the year where the days are getting a little bit longer, the sun's getting a little bit higher, and I don't see any humongous cold spells in the future here. But we've been known to get big snows right up into March, so we're not out of the woods yet by any means, but we're getting there. It's a little bit exciting to have a day like this when we still have pretty much a month of winter left, despite what that ground pig says. It's all kind of good fun, but I don't put much stock into that. Punxsutawney Phil. But it's just an interesting entertainment, I guess you could call it. At least that's my opinion. So yeah, I'll just guess I'll end it here. I'm kind of babbling on now, and just wanted to give you that quick update and let you know how that went with that little test of taking a little break from antibiotics, and I'm back on them, and then we'll see what happens, and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.